Did you know that a homeless man's dead body once fooled Hitler and changed the course of World War II? This sounds completely made up, but it's totally real. In 1943, British spies found Glindra Michael, a homeless man who had died from eating rat poison. They dressed his corpse up as Major William Martin of the Royal Marines and chained a briefcase full of fake military secrets to his wrist. The dead man was given a fake girlfriend named Pam, complete with love letters in his pocket. They dumped the body off the coast of Spain, knowing German spies would find it. The fake documents claimed the Allies were planning to invade Greece instead of Sicily. Hitler completely bought it. He moved entire army divisions away from Sicily to defend Greece. The deception was so convincing that German officers actually sent sympathy letters to the fictional girlfriend Pam. When the real invasion of Sicily happened in July, there was barely any resistance. A dead homeless man with fake love letters had just helped win the war.